Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to CS Law Tech. And if you like everything tech, if you like to discover, discuss, and review products, this is the channel for you. Now guys, let's get right into our topic today. It's juicy. Okay guys, did you see the new app? Did you see what Meta just launched? Okay, Meta launched a new app called Threads. This app is in direct competition to Twitter. There's Twitter and there's Threads. Okay, there's word on the street that Elon Musk is not happy about this new app. Okay, this new app can't be accessed through your desktop. You can only access it through your app. So the app has to be either your iOS or an Android. Also guys, last time I checked, there was over 55 million users who have signed up for Threads. Okay, some of those users are people such as J-Lo, the Kardashians, Gordon Ramsay. I even heard Oprah. Guys, let's get out these boxing gloves. Now, I'm wondering if a lot of these people who have signed up are just not happy with Twitter. Maybe that's what it is. Because, you know, a lot of people just weren't happy. And so when they saw this new app, they was like, hey, I'm on board. But this new app does have pros and some cons. Now let's get into some of those pros and some of those cons. Let's do pros first. Okay, some pros are, like Instagram, chronological. The context is apparently ranked and served up to users no matter what time it's posted. So that's a pro. Also, there's no paid ads. You don't have to worry about all these ads. And then with the presidential campaigning coming up, we don't have to worry about all this. We can just text and not have to worry about all these ads popping up everywhere, distracting us. Also, another pro is Threads has 500 characters. Yes, you heard me right. 500 characters that you can use. Whereas Twitter only has 280 characters. Okay, guys, let's get into some cons. Some cons are Threads doesn't use hashtag. Who like to use that hashtag? That's not going to be available on Threads. Another con is right now there is no way to take the Threads off without deleting your Instagram account also. So guess what? When you link that Threads, you're linking to Instagram. And if you don't want that Threads anymore, you're going to have to delete your Threads account and your Instagram account. So guys, let me know what you think about this. Will you guys be joining Threads, or you guys are just going to sit back and wait to see what happens? Are you guys looking to see, well, maybe this is a beta test, or are you guys just going to run straight out there because you probably weren't happy with Twitter, or you just want to see what it's all about? You guys let me know. And that's all I have for you today, guys. And make sure you like and subscribe. And as I always say, be kind to one another and treat people the way you want to be treated. Until next time, bye guys.
Digital love, computer love, digital love.